This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet without a blender. You might think a blender is essential for sorbet, but it's absolutely not. We'll explore a simple, hands-on method that yields fantastic results. This technique relies on basic kitchen tools and a bit of patience, proving that anyone can enjoy homemade sorbet. Get ready to transform fresh fruit into a refreshing frozen treat with just a few easy steps. First, select your favorite ripe fruits. About 2 cups of prepared fruit works well. For soft fruits like raspberries or bananas, simply mash them very well with a fork or potato masher until smooth. If you're using harder fruits such as apples or peaches, gently cook them with about 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water until tender. Then, press the cooked fruit through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a silky base. Now, pour your prepared fruit base into a shallow, freezer-safe dish, like a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Place it in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the edges just begin to freeze. Then, using a fork, vigorously scrape the icy edges towards the center. Return the dish to the freezer and repeat this scraping process every 30 minutes for approximately 2 to 3 hours, until you achieve a light, fluffy, and icy consistency. Your delicious, blender-free sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's perfectly icy and refreshing. You can garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint or a few whole berries to enhance its appeal. Don't hesitate to experiment with various fruit combinations, like strawberry lemon or mango passion fruit, to discover new favorites. A small squeeze of citrus juice, about 1 teaspoon, can also brighten the overall flavor beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.